Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Sheen, your host. This is Money Matters. In this channel, we talk about money, finance, how to grow your money, how to invest your money, and how to make money work hard for you. Check out my other videos. I talk about all those topics, and I also talk about credit cards, bonus points, sign-up points, bonus points from banks and different checking accounts that you can open. So if you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing. Give a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. All right, let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about my account that I share with you guys, my public account. And so it's been at least a few weeks since I shared all my updates on this account. So I'm going to go over all my stocks and what it has been doing, what I've been doing. So basically, my account is red, almost red all over the place. It's just kind of like a bloodbath. So obviously the past 2 weeks with the whole CV situation, the stock market has been dropping like crazy. Just trillions of dollars have been lost. Personally, on this account, I have lost 36%, roughly $4,100. And so we'll go over it line by line. And excuse this portfolio really quick because you'll see double of things because I opened the margin account on this portfolio and it's kind of not updated yet. So when I made new purchases, it gave me a double line item. So that's why there's double of some of these. So we'll go over it. So I have two line items on Tesla. One of my cost basis was $380. I bought one share when it dipped down to 380, which is the lowest I've seen it in a while. It's lower than my original purchase price when I purchased it back in late December, early January. I purchased it at 390 something. So it dropped down to 380. I definitely picked up a share at 380. My other shares has an average cost basis of 550. If it keeps on dropping, if it drops again to in the 300s for sure, I'll definitely try to pick up some more shares to bring that cost basis down on Tesla. 3M, again, there's two line items. I got one share when it dropped down to 131, and then my others is at a cost basis of 137. Currently, it's actually in the, I believe, 120s. So I definitely will be picking up some additional shares of 3M if it stays in the 120s. Next one is Skyworks. I got in this at too high of a cost basis. My cost basis is 117. The price has dropped to 73. So I am trying to pick up some shares. If it drops to the 60s, I'll definitely be picking some shares up on Skyworks. Starbucks, it was just extra money that I had, and I only had about 60 some dollars at the time of this drop of Starbucks, and I just thought, well, Starbucks dropped so much, I'll just pick up one share. So that's Starbucks. Next one is Uber. You'll see there's two line items of Uber. I have 50 shares at a cost basis of $34.80. Then when it dropped to this ridiculous price of under $20, I was picking up additional shares, and I have 5 of those shares at a cost basis of $17. STM, I don't think I did much with STM. I still have my original 50 shares and at the original cost basis of $27.78. Carnival Cruise Lines, I've been buying Carnival Cruise Lines really heavily in this portfolio as well as in my other portfolios. But for this portfolio, I had my initial roughly 60 shares at a cost basis of $31. I was able to bring it down some to that $31.90 cost basis. And then I picked up additional shares when it dropped into the $11 range. So I have 20 shares at $11.17. And this one I'm still looking into. I already have a lot of money, not in this portfolio on Carnival Cruise Lines, but in my other portfolios, I have a lot of money into it. So if it does drop, I might still consider picking up some shares because I really want to drop that cost basis down into the 20s or into the mid to low 20s if possible. So definitely Carnival is something I'm still looking into. Revolve, I don't think I did much with Revolve. I probably did pick up a few shares, lowering my cost basis to $14.64. And the last one is Planet 13 Holdings. I just got into this one kind of like as a speculative stock. I got into it when it was $1.94, which is actually the probably the highest price at the time. Now it's dropped to 94 cents. So that's a 51% loss on that. So yeah, my portfolio right now is looking really red. With the biggest loss currently is this Carnival at 62%, 62.39% down on that one. And so that is a quick rundown of all my stocks in the public portfolio. So my cost basis are relatively low, but what I'm currently focusing on now is not trying to pick up additional companies. I just want to focus on bringing my cost basis down on the companies I already have. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do in the coming weeks and the coming months. So next we're going to look at all the activity since March, early March. So why am I doing this, guys? I share everything on this account with you. It's my public account. It's a way for me to be accountable, for me to show you that I do what I say I'm going to do, put my money where my mouth is. If I say I'm going to do something, if it's for me to follow up with you guys that, hey, I said I was going to do this, I said I was going to buy this, and I want to show you that I'm actually doing what I'm doing. There's more accountability and there's more transparency. Because if you're watching me and if you are considering buying some stocks, I want you to feel that I'm not just saying this because I'm just blowing smoke in the air. I'm actually doing what I said I'm going to do. I actually looked at the company and I actually do believe in these companies. So this is a way for me to show you that I am doing what I say I'm going to do. So here we go. So starting in March 3rd, I posited 1960. So as I know I'm going to buy additional stocks because everything is just so ridiculously low. So first thing, March 3rd, I bought more Carnival. Then I bought Revolve. I bought 236 worth of Revolve again. This is a dividend from Skyworks, $6.60. March 5th, I bought more Carnival. So look at this price of Carnival. I was buying it March 5th. March 5th, buying Carnival at $30 a share. Guys, it's less than $11 right now. So March 5th, I bought more Carnival again. Revolve, bought more Revolve. I bought more Revolve again. I bought more Uber, deposit another $212. Starbucks hit a record low of 62, record 52-week low, $69.20. That's all the money I had at that time, so I only bought one share of Starbucks at $69. Tesla was dropping. I bought more Tesla, 3M was dropping, bought more 3M, deposited another 2,000. Here's a dividend from Carnival, $3.50. Another transfer, deposited 317. Bought more Revolve, bought more Skyworks. Skyworks was dropping to a good price point, picked up more Skyworks, again, picked up more Skyworks. Tesla dropped to 450 at that time. I picked up one share of Tesla at 450, deposit another $100, deposit another $2,000. Tesla dropped to $380 on March 18th, picked up one share at 380. Uber, picked up more Uber, picked up Carnival. Now look at this on March 20th, today, Carnival at $11. When I was buying this earlier in the month, it was 30 or whatever it was I just showed you, 30 or $40. That's incredible. Now down to $11. So I definitely picked up some more shares at $11. Bought more 3M and then deposited another 3,000 as of today. Hope you liked my video. Hope you found some value. If you like what I'm doing, please give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.